Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about surfing internet. This is a new chapter that we are going to begin. So in this chapter we are going to learn about World Wide Web and multimedia, real-time communication, Skype. There will be steps to learn how to download Skype on the computer. Then we have some information about creating a blog. Let's begin. Internet and its versatility has spread worldwide like a fire in this decade. Internet is a major tool to communicate, socialize, shop and work. This means internet has spread worldwide, मतलब वो throughout the world spread हो चुका है like a fire. Obviously you know that internet is very famous throughout the world and it is used to communicate. Communicate means talking to someone. And socialize. Socialize means having a social life. Then shop and work. Internet can be used to do online shopping and can also be used to work online. The internet is a worldwide publicly accessible network made up of thousands of interconnected computer networks. No one has the idea about the number of computers connected to the internet, but the number is growing rapidly with each passing day. The computers on the internet communicate with each other using the transmission control protocol, internet protocol. This means a number of computers are connected on the network. बहुत सारे computers एक single network के ऊपर connected हैं and that network is called internet. No one has the idea about the number of computers. किसी को नहीं पता कि computer कितने computers attached हैं to the internet. There can be millions of computers that are using internet at the same time and they can connect with each other. Mostly internet communication is done using transmission control protocol or internet protocol. So protocol is the set of rules and these set of rules are defined for the internet. Using those rules only, this information is sent from one computer to another. Now let's learn about World Wide Web. World Wide Web consists of millions of documents or bunch of pages called web pages containing links to documents and resources through the internet. World Wide Web was developed in 1989. Its short form is W3 or WWW and it was developed by the person Tim Berners-Lee in Switzerland. The initial purpose of the web was to use networked hypertext to facilitate communication among its members. A rapid growth in number of both developers and users led to incorporation of graphics, videos and sounds. The web uses the HTTP for the transfer of these documents over the internet. This means World Wide Web के ऊपर बहुत सारे documents हैं. There are bunch of pages. There are number of pages on the internet and we call those pages as web pages. और इन वेब पेजेस के लिंक्स होते हैं that are used to open them and those links are spread throughout the internet so that anyone can use them. Initially, web was created to provide the communication among the people who are using web. But a number of people get included in this. They started developing new things. And this led to इंक्लूडिंग ग्राफिक्स, वीडियोज़ एंड साउंड्स। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग वेब के साथ जुड़ना स्टार्ट हो गए, फिर उन्होंने ग्राफिक्स लाइक पिक्चर्स, वीडियोज़ एंड साउंड्स को भी इंटरनेट पे डालना स्टार्ट कर दिया। एंड वेब में HTTP यूज़ होता है, दैट इज़ हाइपरटेक्स्ट ट्रांसफ़र प्रोटोकॉल, एंड दिस प्रोटोकॉल इज़ यूज टू ट्रांसफ़र द डॉक्यूमेंट्स। इंटरनेट के ऊपर जो से आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स ट्रांसफ़र होंगे, दोज आर डन यूजिंग HTTP। अब जो भी कोई वेब पेजेस ओपन करते हो, that is done using HTTP. You must have observed that when you open a site, mostly it is written HTTPS in the beginning of the URL. People consider the internet and web to be the same, but it is not so. This means internet और web के बीच में बहुत difference है। इनफैक्ट हम वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब को इंटरनेट के थ्रू ही असेस कर सकते हैं। क्या है वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब? इट इज़ जस्ट द पेजेस। ये वो वेब पेजेस हैं जिसको हम ओपन करते हैं। लाइक यू आर यूजिंग सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स लाइक फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम, दोज आर वेबसाइट्स। इंटरनेट हेल्प्स यू टू ओपन दैट, बट दीज पेजेस आर लाइंग ऑन द वेब। ये सारे वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब के ऊपर ऑलरेडी सेव्ड हैं। यू ओनली नीड अ नेटवर्क टू कनेक्ट इट। इट इज़ लाइक मैनी अदर फीचर्स ऑफ द इंटरनेट। ठीक है, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब इज़ ऑल्सो द फीचर ऑफ इंटरनेट। जैसे आप ईमेल सेंड करते हो, ईमेल इज़ द फीचर ऑफ इंटरनेट, इन द सेम वे वी हैव वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, एंड इट इज़ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्लाइंट सर्वर टेक्नोलॉजी. The person who is using internet is client. Okay, whenever we use internet we need web browsers. Web browsers are like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer that are used to open the websites, and they act like a client from the user's side. The browser requests the internet host or server which contains the document. Mostly जितने भी web pages होते हैं, they all are stored in servers of the various companies. So here your browser acts like a client, and internet host after receiving the request passes the information to the clients. तो आपका जो वेब ब्राउज़र है वो क्लाइंट की तरह एक्ट करता है और बताता है सर्वर को कि आई नीड सम पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड देन इंटरनेट इज़ द होस्ट. ओके, इट टेल्स द सर्वर दैट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन हैज़ बीन रिक्वेस्टेड बाय द ब्राउज़र and it has to give it to the client. This flow of information is controlled by the protocols. We have already discussed about HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, that is responsible for exchange of information from the servers. Web pages are written in simple markup languages. You know, web pages are also created, as you have already done HTML in the previous chapters. Using the HTML, you was creating web page. In the same way, web pages are created by the people in HTML, and then they put it on the internet. And there are millions of pages on the web, and those pages are created by individuals, means a single person, or organizations or companies, or the one who wants to publish them. कोई भी एक ऐसी कंपनी या फिर इंडिविजुअल जो कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करना चाहता है, the person can do it easily by putting the web pages. So that's all we are going to learn in today's video. Thank you.